SkySails' history spanning over 20 years, we have a lot of experience in developing extremely robust and efficient kite systems capable of towing large cargo vessels across the oceans. To adapt our technology for airborne wind energy purposes, we extended our flying system with the capacity for vast depowering by introducing pitch control. This minimizes the amount of energy and time required to retract the kite towards the ground station. The result is our new generation of kites, the Skyriders. This is the current generation of control pods which we developed for our new kite systems, the Skyriders. We stuck to the same steering principle. It is completely energy self-sufficient, includes a telemetry system for communication with the ground station, and various sensors that will tell us everything that is happening up in the air at any point in time. We also introduced two new actuators, which now enable large-scale pitch control, which enable our depower mode for the return phase.
Let's do this.